Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, we learn something new, which are related to connector in the grammatical part. So let's take a connector. What is the first connector for today? Yeah, first connector for today. Furthermore, furthermore. So yeah, let's take an example for better understanding. First example is exercise improves physical health. Further, it's enhance mental well-being. Second example is green vegetables beneficial for our health. Furthermore, it increase light of weakness in eyes. So let's take another connector. Yeah, moreover, moreover. I think it's pronounced moreover, moreover. Yeah, it's pronounced moreover. Yeah. So let's take example. The new policy has several benefits. Moreover, it increases employee satisfaction. Another example is the training has several benefits. Moreover, it enhances knowledge. The training has several benefits. Moreover, it enhances knowledge about unknown people and their culture, etc. And let's third example is that the plants expensive. Plants Plant is expensive. Moreover, it may not even work. I think it is used for uh, when you doing some work. One and second is also not workable. So you can use this connector for your conversation. I hope uh, you enjoyed my video, so thank you so much for listening me and watching my videos carefully and patiently. For getting this type of videos, don't forget hit the bell icon and don't forget the subscribe and like and share my channel and also video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.